Guys, Bitcoin is right now getting rejected on the daily time frame from our upward sloping resistance line. And every time we have seen this in the past, we had to expect further downside for Bitcoin, and we definitely had to expect to retest this lower support line. And this lower support line at this exact moment would actually be all the way down at $47,000. So guys, if you want to know if we have any chart patterns on the smaller time frames that could result in us still breaking to the upside within the next 2 days, then stick around till the very end of this video, because as you guys know, I already warned you guys yesterday. We took perfect profits at the high. That's why the video probably also got 5,000 likes, because I made a warning video yesterday, and right after the video, Bitcoin dumped over $1,500. So congratulations to everyone who followed my trade call on yesterday's video. I will make sure to tell you exactly in today's video again what I'm expecting from the Bitcoin price and what I'm going to do with my $1 million worth of Bitcoin long positions, because we already took massive amounts of profits yesterday, but I'm still having a lot of unrealized profits here on the sidelines that I would love to take out before we have to expect a bigger correction. So let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. As always, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like on this video. Yesterday's video smashed 5,000 likes, which is absolutely insane, guys. We probably are the strongest community on all over YouTube. I don't think any YouTuber on this planet in crypto is getting 5,000 likes with only 37,000 subscribers. So guys, you are the strongest community. Let's keep this momentum going. Smash up a like. Maybe we can reach 3,000 likes on this video again, or even 5,000. And don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. But now, like I said, let's just jump right into the charts. So as I already said in the beginning of the video, on the daily time frame, it is looking like the bulls are actually getting rejected here. But the smaller time frames are actually showing us something different. I will tell you exactly what price levels Bitcoin has to break to the upside, so we can expect Bitcoin to continue its uprun here in a second. But first, let's take a look on the bigger time frames even, because guys, Bitcoin only has 14 hours left till this weekly candle closes, and in my opinion it will be crucial that this weekly candle closes above our old weekly candle highs here at the exact price level of pretty much $60,200. So if the Bitcoin price now suddenly would experience a bigger drop on the smaller time frames, the potential of us seeing a bigger correction during the next couple of weeks all the way down to the $52,000 or even the $50,000 level increased dramatically. So now let's take a look. As you guys know, 14 hours are left now. Let's take a look on the smaller time frames so we don't miss out on any price action. And as you guys can already see, also on the 4-hourly time frame, we are forming another rising broadening wedge. And as you guys know, the last time we formed a rising broadening wedge, this was this price movement. This was the time when Bitcoin had its massive run up all the way up to $64,000, and after the breakdown of this broadening rising wedge, we saw a correction all the way down to the $28,800 level. So the question now is, we already broke to the upside in the current rising broadening wedge, which is definitely a very bullish sign, because a rising broadening wedge usually is a reversal pattern. And if the bulls are strong enough to break a reversal pattern to the upside and invalidate it for the bears, this is normally a sign of strength in the market. But now we actually are right now today, 14 hours before the weekly candle closes, we are retesting this rising broadening wedge. And you can already see that we pretty much have two different support and resistance line that are defining this rising wedge right now. So this rising broadening wedge actually has more of a support zone, and in the best case for sure, Bitcoin will just now bounce here. We will break the pretty much $60,800 level with a 4-hourly candle to the upside, and then I'm really looking for the break of our old 4-hourly close highs. And if we break those to the upside, we also have some sort of the W pattern here. So we would definitely see a new run-up high after we break above the $61,200 level. If we break the $61,200 level to the upside with a 4-hourly candle close above it, I am going to scale up my trades once again. But we also have the possibility that Bitcoin actually now gets rejected here of the $60,800 level. So in 3 hours, if we are still below the $60,800 level, this would actually be for sure a bad sign. And this would mean that Bitcoin probably with the next 4-hourly candle would retest the lower support here of our old resistance channel of this rising broadening wedge. And this has to hold, because otherwise this would result in a failed breakout for the bulls out of a bearish reversal pattern. And this for sure would mean that the bulls not only fail to break out, but on the way during the breakout, the bulls wasted a massive amount of energy that could then be missing to catch the falling price when the bears start to sell off. So guys, please keep an eye on the $60,200 level. If we close a 4-hourly candle below that, it's not looking good for Bitcoin. But I'm still more bullish than bearish, because we are also forming another chart pattern that could break out actually any second. So I'm going to hurry up and upload this video as fast as possible, because we are also forming a falling wedge here on the 1-hourly time frame. And as you guys know, a falling wedge is for sure a massive bullish continuation pattern. So as long as Bitcoin now manages to break above this falling wedge here on the hourly time frame, has a small bounce confirmation, we are breaking above the old highs, we are closing a 4-hourly candle above the $61,200 level, guys, I think we will reach a new high very, very early next week. But for this, let's just wait for the breakout. As you guys now know, $61,200 level, we break it to the upside with a 4-hourly candle, I'm scaling up my trades. $60,200 level, we break it to the downside and we close a 4-hourly candle below it, I take more profits. Because if this happens, we for sure have to expect Bitcoin falling much, much lower, because then we have a confirmed rejection on the daily time frame. We have a failed breakout on the 4-hourly time frame, a massive fake out, really, a multi-day fake out actually on the daily time frame, where the bulls just wasted a lot of energy. And also we would close the weekly candle below the old weekly candle highs. So this would for sure this would mean that we have to expect more downside in the next week to come. But I will update you anyways if anything crazy happens to the Bitcoin price. So far still everything is looking fairly good. Like I said, let's just see what happens now here with this falling wedge that has a higher probability of breaking to the upside. The bulls are actually trying it right now, but still we need a confirmation before we can be sure. And like I said, I'm not scaling up my trades till we break the $61,200 level on the 4-hourly time frame. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's reach again 5,000 likes on this video. I'm not sure if this is even possible, because this is absolutely insane. I'm very sure that we are actually the strongest community on YouTube when it comes to subscribers that are active on the channel, that support the content, you know. So thank you very much, guys, for being such an amazing viewer base here on my YouTube channel. But either way, guys, I will upload this video now as fast as possible, because as you guys just saw, the Bitcoin bulls and Bitcoin bears are just right now even fighting to break out of the chart patterns on the smaller time frame, which would then for sure result in a bigger decision for the 4-hourly, for the daily, and also for the weekly candles. I will see you in the next video. That will be tomorrow, 100% guaranteed. So subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss this. Till then, bye bye.